Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very beautiful, stylish and comfortable summer flat and heel sandals, new designs and new collection. All sandals are very pretty and available online also. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the designs. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of beautiful, informative and updated collections of footwears and dress designing. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals and dresses new collections very easily. Peep toe style sandals look so stylish and elegant in summer season. White cross strap slingback design is one of the best design for this year 2020. Very beautiful and trending collection of all those sandals which are in a fashion, and these are very popular designs with breathable styles are available here in this collection. Here you will find one of the stunning collection of different beautiful newly launched sandals which are best for casual wear and office wear. Wide, thin, medium, all sizes of straps are used to design such of beautiful sandals. Slip-on sandals designs are best for casual wear activities. Flip-flop slingback design is best for girls. Different beautiful eye-catching colors and stunning designs are available here in this collection. Very simple, decent, comfortable but stylish type of sandals are included here in this collection. Platform heels are best designed for formal occasions and office wear. Friends, if you like these designs, please thumbs up for it, means to say like, hit the like button. I am sure that you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice. Through these videos, not only you can take the designing idea, but also you can do online shopping, as this is the need of time too that all the people prefers to do on online shopping. So these all pairs are available online. Sling bag, bag open, zipper bag, all different beautiful styles and designs of sandals are included here in this collection. Peep-toe style sandal with wedge style of heel is very comfortable design. Adjustable strips are used to design such type of beautiful comfortable sandals. I am sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, um, uh, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do shopping online. With the help of this collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in a fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the perfect and best collection for yourself. Style, comfortability, practicality and simplicity, all best features you will find here in this collection with different sorts of footwears. Such type of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personalities. Wide cross strap, back open slipper is best designed for casual wear activities. Floral printed sandals design is also hot favorite design nowadays. Some of the platform sole, wedge style sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heels you can keep for your formal wear activities. Sling bag, zipper bag, back open styles of these sandals with chunky styles of heels, platform sole, wedge styles trending going on nowadays. Double strip sling bag design is best design for all age group ladies. Nowadays, sandals are designed with double, triple or multi-strips. Flip-flop slingback design is best design for summer season. Two-tone sandals designs are also hot favorite design of footwears, like color contrast in dresses. Designers are trying to introduce best color contrast in footwears also. All type of different straps like thin, medium, wide, printed and transparent strips are used to design such type of beautiful Nowadays, every brand trying to design their footwears with different type of accessories like pearls, beads, stones, and flowers, and these are most favorite designs of girls and ladies. Wedge style sandals are best for offices and very stylish designs. Black and white is also hot favorite design for girls and ladies. In all brands, animal printed sandals design is also introduced. Snake skin, tiger and leopard prints look so stylish and elegant. Peep toe style, slingback design with wedge style of heel is best design and very popular all over the world among ladies. Floral printed sandals is also best design nowadays. The best features of black and brown footwear is that it is best perfect fit with your all outfits. See different eye-catching and attractive colors and comfortable styles are best perfect for your lifestyle, especially for young ladies. Low heel designs are best for casual wear and long heels are best for formal occasions. Pink and beige color contrast is very decent and attractive color combination. I hope you can feel the comfortability and softness of these leather sandals too. These designs are walk friendly and foot friendly too. Different age group ladies find attraction in such type of designs. Thin strips sandal with wedge style of low heel is best designed for casual wear activities. Printed heels are also attached with these sandals. In this collection you will find round toe, square toe, pointed toe and peep toes all best design. Nowadays square and pointed toe sandals are also popular besides round toe. This is one of the best collection and these designs are very popular nowadays, so that's why I am sharing this beautiful and comfortable collection with you people. Friends, if you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. One of the best collection for casual wear and formal wear. Golden color is best for formal occasion. As far as slippers are concerned, these are very comfortable and soft and very practical sorts of slipper, and such type of sandals are also very popular. Because of its styles, young ladies love to wear such type of footwear with their different type of outfits and bottoms designs like jeans, pants and trouser. And because of its comfortability, working ladies love to wear such type of footwear at workplace. These are so comfortable and soft that for longer period of time you will feel super comfort under these footwears. So friends, keep in touch with my channel, and if you want to ask or suggest something regarding this collection or anything else, then you can use comment section for this purpose. This is the only way you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comments and try my level best to reply. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notification of new uploads. Please suggest me in comment box that what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals and dresses new collections very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.